If you're having a hard time to read conversation, any text messages or any text in the cell phone screen, so you should try that feature. This is amazing feature. It's called zoom screen. So you can make your screen zoom so you can get easily all conversation, you can read that. So let's see how we can activate that thing. So just go into the settings, scroll down a little bit, you'll find right there. If you go a little bit down, you see accessibility. Go into that thing, vision enhancement, and then after this scroll down, and on the second tab you'll find this is screen zoom. When you turn this on, see this conversation is actually zoomed, but the actual come with this. See how small is this? And when you just keep making bigger and bigger as per your requirement or smaller, so that's how you can turn it on. And it is very useful for those people, those are having an issue to having a hard time to read text messages. Those should try that.